In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Wix Forms to gather information on your website. Whether you're aiming to collect emails for a newsletter or looking to gather feedback from your visitors, Wix Forms offers a versatile solution that can be seamlessly integrated into your site. So, let's dive in and see how you can get started with this. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website itself. Once you're logged in, navigate to your specific site where you'd like to add the form. This sets the stage for everything you'll be doing next. From there, the next step is to add the elements that will make your form functional and visually appealing. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll notice the Add Elements option. This is your gateway to a variety of features that Wix offers. When you click on that, a menu will appear with a multitude of options. Because we're focusing on forms today, you're going to want to scroll until you find Contact and Forms. Click on this, and then you'll see a selection of form templates you can choose from. At this juncture, think about the goal of your form, whether you need a simple contact form or something more complex like a survey form. Browse through the available templates and select the one that aligns with your needs. Once you've made your choice, click to add it to your site. You'll immediately see it appear on your page, ready to start gathering the information you need. Now comes the exciting part, customization. To tailor the form to your specific requirements, click on the form to reveal its settings menu. This is where you can adjust everything from the form's title to the color scheme. Spend some time here to ensure that it aligns with your website's overall look and feel. Wix offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to modify each element to suit your branding. The customization doesn't end with appearance. If you need additional fields beyond what's provided in the template, you can simply click Add New Field. Here, you can explore a wide range of features like text boxes, radio buttons, and even file upload options. This functionality is invaluable when you're collecting specific details or need to expand the form's capabilities. Take your time exploring these features, as they can greatly enhance the form's effectiveness. Coupled with Wix's reliability and ease of use, this ensures that collecting essential visitor information is both straightforward and efficient. With these steps, you now have a functional and customized form on your Wix site, ready to help you engage with your audience and gather the data you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your website's functionality.